Top 5 Feng Shui plants, that is what I'm going to talk today. So this is actually, I thought of doing this because the front entrance normally we keep any plant that out of knowledge. So I just want to share some tips about Feng Shui because it's an interesting topic and there are many plants that attract according to Feng Shui that brings wealth, prosperity and peace. So these are some of the plants that I'm going to show you and the top 5. So when we talk about Feng Shui, first comes the lucky bamboo. So these lucky bamboo plants are very easy to grow and they are also indoor plants. So you can just place one of them in front of your home, and especially if you keep it inside your home, it brings a lot of positive energy. So this is one of the plants that I recommend having in front of the door or indoors. So that will really be very beneficial and will give you a lot of positive vibes. This is one of the Ficus plants and this is Ficus variegated one. So I recommend having one of them in your front yard facing the front door because this is said to bring wealth and prosperity to your home. Very easy growing plant and also easy maintenance. So have one of them and this plant will attract wealth and prosperity according to Feng Shui. Next I show you this little Chinese bamboo. It's very beautiful and beautiful foliage and very easy to grow. This also according to Feng Shui, this brings wealth and prosperity. So have it inside your home or best thing is to face it your main door, main entrance. And this beautiful foliage is said to bring a lot of positive vibes. So I hope you also would like to have one. Easy maintenance plant, but they need to have moisture balanced soil and you will have to spray them in the morning for their maintenance. So have one of these little Chinese bamboo plant also in your list. When it comes to money plants, there are a lot of varieties of them. Marble queen, this is neon pothos, and also there are other pothos like enjoy pothos. I also have all these varieties with me, so have one of them. These are said to bring a lot of positivity to your home, and especially if you have it growing inside your living or inside your house also, it's something that brings a lot of new energy and positive vibes. So have one of these beautiful plants in your home for attracting wealth and prosperity. Spider plants also one of the best plants that brings positivity, wealth and prosperity, and one of the best plants in Feng Shui also because they are said to bring air refreshness and also a lot of positivity to your home. So have them in front of your yard, and also if you have them inside your home also, that brings the same result. Last but not the least on the list is aloe vera. They are said to bring a lot of positivity since they are very hardy plants. So if you wish to have something growing inside your home, this is one of the best plants because aloe vera is also one of the hardy plants, as I said earlier, and easy to maintain, and they are with a lot of positivity and also attracts wealth and prosperity. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you are new, consider subscribing to Tamara's Garden. Bye and see you soon.